In the year 2050, the world stands at the precipice of unparalleled transformation. Propelled by a convergence of technological innovation, environmental imperatives, and profound demographic shifts. As humanity strides deeper into the digital age, artificial intelligence, biotechnology, and space exploration have become not just aspirations but tangible realities shaping the fabric of everyday life. Yet, amid these remarkable advancements, the specter of climate change looms large, demanding urgent action and global cooperation to ensure the sustainability of our planet for future generations. Against this backdrop, societal norms are evolving, political landscapes are shifting, and the very essence of what it means to be human is being redefined. Join us on a journey into the world of 2050, where the promise of progress intertwines with the challenges of an uncertain future, and where the choices we make today will shape the course of history tomorrow. Technological advancements. By 2050, technological advancements will have permeated every facet of human existence, revolutionizing industries, economies, and societies worldwide. Artificial intelligence, AI, will have evolved to unprecedented levels, permeating daily life through smart homes, autonomous vehicles, and personalized virtual assistants. Robotics will be ubiquitous, enhancing productivity in manufacturing, healthcare, and services. Biotechnology will have unlocked new frontiers in medicine, enabling personalized treatments, genetic enhancements, and regenerative therapies. Nanotechnology will revolutionize materials science, enabling the development of ultra-light, durable materials with applications ranging from construction to electronics. Quantum computing will have solved complex problems beyond the capabilities of classical computers, revolutionizing fields like cryptography, drug discovery, and climate modeling. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, will offer immersive experiences, transforming entertainment, education, and remote work. However, technological advancement will also raise ethical concerns, including data privacy, job displacement due to automation, and the potential misuse of powerful technologies. Space exploration. By 2050, humanity's exploration of space will have reached new heights, with missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Permanent lunar bases and Martian colonies will be established, laying the foundation for human settlement of other celestial bodies. International cooperation will drive collaborative space missions, with partnerships between space agencies, private companies, and research institutions. Technologies such as reusable rockets, in situ resource utilization, and advanced life support systems will enable sustained human presence in space. However, concerns about space debris, orbital congestion, and the militarization of space will necessitate international agreements to regulate space activities and ensure responsible behavior. Scientific discoveries in space exploration will deepen our understanding of the universe, from the origins of life to the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Robotic probes, space telescopes, and space observatories will continue to uncover new planets, stars, and galaxies, expanding the frontiers of human knowledge and inspiring future generations of explorers. Climate change. Addressing climate change will be paramount in 2050 as the effects of global warming become more severe. Renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power will have largely replaced fossil fuels, reducing greenhouse gas emissions and mitigating climate change. Advances in energy storage and grid technology will ensure a reliable and sustainable energy supply. Efforts to combat deforestation, promote reforestation, and preserve biodiversity will be intensified, recognizing the critical role of ecosystems in regulating the climate. Sustainable agriculture practices, including vertical farming, precision agriculture, and lab-grown meat, will alleviate pressure on land and water resources while ensuring food security for a growing population. Innovative technologies such as carbon capture and geoengineering may play a role in removing excess carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and mitigating the impacts of climate change. However, ethical considerations and unintended consequences must be carefully evaluated. International cooperation will be essential in addressing climate change, with agreements like the Paris Agreement serving as frameworks for collective action. Demographic shifts. By 2050, the world's population will have surpassed 9 billion, with significant demographic shifts shaping societies worldwide. Urbanization will continue unabated, with megacities becoming the norm and urban infrastructure expanding to accommodate growing populations. Aging populations in many regions, particularly in developed countries, will pose challenges for healthcare systems, pension funds, and social services. Innovative solutions such as robotic caregivers, telemedicine, and age-friendly urban design will emerge to support elderly populations and promote active aging. Investments in education, healthcare, and infrastructure will be crucial to harnessing the demographic dividend and ensuring sustainable development. Migration will remain a contentious issue, driven by factors such as climate change, conflict, and economic inequality. Globalization and connectivity. Globalization will continue to deepen in 2050, driven by advances in technology, transportation, and communication. The world will be more interconnected than ever before, with global trade, investment, and cultural exchange shaping economies and societies. Digital globalization will facilitate the seamless flow of information, goods, and services across borders, empowering entrepreneurs, small businesses, and consumers worldwide. E-commerce platforms, digital payment systems, and cross-border logistics networks will enable frictionless trade and empower emerging economies to participate in the global economy. Economic interdependence will incentivize cooperation and diplomacy, while competition for resources and influence may lead to tensions and conflicts. Resource scarcity. Resource scarcity will be a pressing concern in 2050, driven by population growth, urbanization, and unsustainable consumption patterns. Water scarcity will exacerbate tensions in regions prone to drought, leading to conflicts over access to water resources. Food security will be challenged by the growing demand for food, changing dietary preferences, and the impacts of climate change on agricultural productivity. Energy scarcity will drive the transition to renewable energy sources, but challenges such as intermittency, storage, and distribution will need to be addressed. Recycling, circular economy initiatives, and responsible sourcing will be essential to promoting resource efficiency and minimizing environmental impact. Political and social changes. By 2050, political and social changes will reshape governance structures, institutions, and societal norms worldwide. Democratic ideals will face challenges from authoritarian regimes, populist movements, and digital surveillance technologies, raising concerns about privacy, freedom of expression, and human rights. Social movements advocating for gender equality, racial justice, LGBTQ+ rights, and environmental sustainability will gain momentum, driving policy reforms and cultural shifts. Youth activism, facilitated by social media and digital technologies, will play a crucial role in driving change and holding governments and corporations accountable. The rise of automation and AI will transform the labor market, leading to job displacement, wage stagnation, and income inequality. Universal Basic Income, UBI, job retraining programs, and labor market reforms will be proposed to address the social and economic impacts of technological disruption. Urbanization will foster innovation, creativity, and cultural exchange, but it will also exacerbate social inequalities, overcrowding, and urban sprawl. Smart city initiatives, affordable housing policies, and inclusive urban planning will be essential to creating sustainable, livable cities for all residents. Healthcare and longevity. Advances in medicine, biotechnology, and public health will extend human lifespan and improve quality of life in 2050. Personalized medicine will become the standard of care, with genetic testing, precision therapies, and targeted interventions tailored to individual patients' unique genetic makeup. Digital health technologies, including wearable devices, telemedicine platforms, and health monitoring apps, will empower individuals to take control of their health and access care remotely. AI-powered diagnostic tools and predictive analytics will enhance early detection and prevention of diseases, reducing healthcare costs and improving outcomes. Global health security will be a priority in 2050, following the lessons learned from the COVID-19 pandemic. Investments in pandemic preparedness, infectious disease surveillance, and vaccine development will be essential to preventing future outbreaks and protecting public health. However, healthcare disparities will persist, driven by factors such as socioeconomic status, geography, and access to healthcare services.